We are going to get the last match before lunch underway. 2 thumbs up. Hands off the controllers, drivers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for qualification match number 66 here on Jones Field number 2. Over on the Blue Alliance, launching from that far launch zone is Got Robot, joined in the far launch zone by Infrared. Up close, we have Aftershock, who is cycling through those artifacts coming from the ramp, joined by the Emerald Robo Rollies, who are doing the same. As we near the end of endgame, we have a tied game as we go into the driver-controlled period. Scores are the same as we have 2 red lead points and 0 for the Blue Alliance. And now we are off. Aftershock is collecting those artifacts that were left on the field from the spike marks to launch as quickly as possible, while their teammate joins in the action from afar. Over on the red side, both robots are going to try to pick up as many artifacts as possible to get them classified. It appears that there is some struggle with the Emerald Robo Rollies as they are trying to figure out how to get those artifacts from the human player. But now they are back in action, joining their teammate and cycling through those artifacts that were in the ramp. Aftershock and Got Robots have this down to a system. What's happening over here is Aftershock is emptying their ramp consistently and shooting from this near launch zone, while Got Robot is going from afar and collecting those artifacts. It seems that they have had a miss due to some successful defense from the Red Alliance, though. Over on the red side of the field, staying up close, is the Emerald Robo Rollies, who are emptying their ramp to get those artifacts available instead of going to their human player to make the pickup. We have just about 30 seconds left in match play and less than 10 points between these two teams. The Blue Alliance now has a choice to make. Are they going to keep that ramp full, or are they going to empty it? And they choose to empty it. As we enter endgame, they are going to try and get as many of these artifacts classified before they park with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is
Jones going up on the board. Your Red Alliance will take the victory by a score of 221 and 215. Very close. That will mean upward motion and 3 ranking points for your Red Alliance. That will do it for our qualification matches here